and obviously the name changed from Facebook to Meta. So just a little bit more context. So they're actually not changing the name of Facebook to Meta. What they're doing is they're creating a parent company, which is like the umbrella, which will focus on all of the products that are encompassing. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have Metaverse, you have WhatsApp. So all of those will be under the umbrella of Meta, which is similar to what Google did when they launched Alphabet. Alphabet is the parent company, then all of Google's companies and products are under there. So that is that. All right. So again, so even though Facebook has changed, well, rebranding, kind of changing the name, people won't forget what Facebook is, and a lot of the pundits, a lot of critics, a lot of newspapers or media even made factor that. So I have some clippings from some of the articles that were out there. So you can see here, this is from San Francisco Gate. In the middle of a crisis, Facebook Incorporated renames itself Meta. Again, over the last couple of months, we've seen a lot of turmoil with Facebook. I've done a previous video talking about Facebook, some of the Facebook files and things that leaks. We had the whistleblower that went to Congress talking about how Facebook values profits ahead of its users. So Facebook is in a lot of turmoil, and the naming change at this time is a little suspect, but there was an interview with Mark Zuckerberg where he said that this was something that he's been working on and thinking about for the past few years. Actually, I think back to 2012 or 2014, one of the two. And he's decided, coincidentally, that now would be the right time to make the name change. Another one from CNET. Facebook has a new name, but same old problems. Plagued by scandals, Facebook rebrands itself Meta. Another one here. Bijar Meta still has a Facebook problem. And from the New York Times, the Metaverse is Mark Zuckerberg's escape hatch. Again, trying to remove Facebook and all the image and the negativity that goes with it and switching over to Meta. That's what New York Times is referring to with this title here. But it remains to be seen how the change or the name will be perceived by most people. But the overall scheme, like I said, the reason why they're changing to Meta is because it's to encompass all of the products they're working on, and they're pushed into the multiverse or the metaverse that they're trying to get all of us to get sucked into. I'm going to say I'm not a huge fan of the metaverse or the multiverse because it gives tech companies like Facebook and other companies too much control over your digital life, and if you're connected to there, they can easily shut you off. Let's just say, for instance, if everything moves towards the metaverse, where I have to do my online shopping, my banking, or whatever. Let's just say if I don't like to play by the rules, they can kick me off the platform. Or as we've seen, people being banned from different platforms just based on things that they said, their political beliefs. Is that also going to transfer to the metaverse? More than likely, if Facebook has their way, whatever, I'm sure they will have some type of content moderation, censorship. So those that don't agree with their political views, will they be suspect to being kicked off the platform? That is a worry that I have with this. So we will see how this plays out in the future. If you like tech news, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, all of these stories that I show here are featured on the website, soundsnerdy.com/news. There, I curate news every day. Tech news from across the web. I gather news from dozens of websites, bring it to you in one convenient location, soundsnerdy.com/news. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, make sure you head over to the website and check it out and sign up for the newsletter as well so you can get news straight to your inbox. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.